Hello my friends, welcome to Tube U channel. Today, I discovered an exciting update from Kling AI. They've launched an amazing feature, offering unlimited high-quality image generation for premium members. This special promotion celebrates the launch of their new Kolors 2.1 engine. Premium users can now generate stunning images in batches of up to 9 at once, with an impressive resolution of 2720 by 1536. That's beyond 2K quality. They're also running two fantastic competitions. Kolors 2.1 has arrived, experience the upgrade, running until August 1st, 2025. Submit your best creations for a chance to win awesome prizes from Kling AI. And create contest number 33, transform photos into jelly. A fun and creative challenge for all artists. Time's ticking, so don't miss out on this opportunity to create something amazing. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Your support means the world to me. See you in the next video.